Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook venison burgers. To achieve a perfectly juicy venison burger, it is essential to incorporate extra fat. We recommend adding about 1/4 cup of ground bacon or beef fat for every pound of venison. This crucial step prevents dryness and ensures a succulent, flavorful result. Carefully combine these ingredients until uniformly blended. Now, let's enhance the flavor of your venison patties. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any preferred spices or herbs you enjoy. Next, form the mixture into patties approximately 3/4 of an inch thick and slightly larger than your bun. A small dimple pressed into the center of each patty helps maintain a flat shape, ensuring even cooking. Preparing your cooking surface correctly is key to a great burger. Whether using a grill or a cast iron pan, preheat it to a steady medium-high temperature. Apply a light coating of high smoke point oil to the hot surface, which prevents sticking and aids in developing a beautiful crust. The ideal temperature ensures a good sear without overcooking the interior too quickly. Carefully place your venison patties onto the preheated cooking surface. Cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side, flipping only once to develop a rich, brown crust. For food safety, always check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer, aiming for 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a safe and deliciously cooked burger every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.